Growing older brings a lot of wisdom, but it also brings changes to our bodies that we don't always talk about. For many seniors or those dealing with chronic illness, one of the most stressful parts of the day happens behind closed bathroom doors. Maintaining personal hygiene can turn from a private routine into a painful, exhausting chore. But there is a single, life-changing device that fixes this instantly. Today, we're looking at why a modern smart bidet is the ultimate tool for senior independence, safety, and comfort. If you want to protect your health or care for a loved one, stay tuned, because this small upgrade changes everything. Let's talk about the physical reality. Standard bathroom hygiene requires a surprising amount of flexibility. Twisting your spine, reaching behind your back, and gripping dry paper can be incredibly painful if you are living with severe arthritis, Parkinson's, or recovering from a stroke or surgery. A smart bidet completely removes that physical strain. Instead of bending and stretching, a user simply presses a single, large button on a wall-mounted remote control. The bidet takes over entirely. Many high-end modern bidets even feature heated seats, which actively soothe stiff joints and muscles the moment you sit down, transforming a rigid, uncomfortable task into a truly relaxing experience. As our bodies age, our skin naturally becomes thinner, more fragile, and highly prone to tearing or irritation. Constantly wiping with dry, rough toilet paper acts like sandpaper on delicate skin, leading to painful rashes or open sores. Even worse, dry paper doesn't actually remove bacteria. It often just spreads it around. This is a major cause of recurring urinary tract infections, or UTIs, which can be highly dangerous for older adults. The bidets use a specialized, soothing stream of warm water that thoroughly cleanses without ever touching the skin. Combined with an integrated warm air dryer, it eliminates moisture where bacteria thrives, giving seniors hospital-grade hygiene without any of the abrasive friction. Beyond the immense physical health benefits, there is an emotional side to this upgrade. No one wants to lose their independence, and asking a caregiver or family member for help in the bathroom can feel deeply uncomfortable. A smart bidet preserves a person's dignity. It allows seniors and those with physical limitations to care for themselves completely unassisted. And because premium systems feature self-cleaning nozzles that sanitize themselves automatically after every single use, there is zero extra maintenance or scrubbing required from family members or caretakers. An accessible home isn't just about ramp access or grab bars. True luxury and care start where it matters most. If you or a loved one are ready to bring safety, comfort, and absolute dignity back into the bathroom routine, tap the link in our description box to explore authorized TOTO Smart Bidet solutions at SAKSBY.com today. If this video shed some light on better home care, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more informative home health breakdowns and recommendations. If you have any questions or need help picking the perfect model for your home, reach out to the SAKSBY team directly via the contact details listed below. Thanks for watching and take care.
Visit SAKSBY.com and contact us at 1-8447-175044 and email us at hello@saksby.com.